Anderson with his signature slingshot off the top there. You can see Brian Negan in the second spot. He just kind of snuck right in there. But Catherine's going to settle into that third spot, but he won't be there long. But look at this, 3 wide. Rena's in her, and it looks like he's got a little bit of sandwich with on the outside. That is, of course, Maya Spaccarelli with Patrick Clark.
Spaccarelli with lots of contact between McTagg and Renazitter as we head up over the big Rockstar jump for the first time. But Ron Mack, I have no idea how he got that kind of start off the bottom of the track. I thought for sure Anderson had it in the bag on the first lap. We got a car, a truck, going around. McTagg and the 81 goes around, so tough break for him. McTagg goes around.